Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, and what a special car we have here. It's a Mercedes diesel. It's the AMG Sport Premium Plus with a night pack. Absolutely lovely looking car with absolutely practically everything extra. So you've got the night pack, which means it's all black around the bottoms and the sills and the rear. Diffuser. Got the upgraded alloy wheels on there. This red is really stunning. Privacy glass to the rear, a lovely panoramic roof. It's got the AMG full body styling kit, so you've got the bigger diffuser with a twin exhaust, a night pack on the diffuser, privacy glass, rear park distance control. Absolutely stunning. So the boot area being well looked after. All our cars are videoed and pictured outside just for better light, but they are kept inside our showroom for indoor viewing in any weather. A lovely half leather Alcantara red stitch piping, really goes with the exterior as well. So Premium Plus comes with the electric memory seats as well, electric windows, electric power folding mirrors. There's no wear on the bolsters or anything like that. Tilt slide opening panoramic roof, does have a blind as well. Paddle shift on the gearbox. You've got the satellite navigation. Just start this up a minute. So I think this has got also, let's just check. Yeah, reverse camera. Satellite navigation. 3-stage heated seats. Air conditioning. It's all been well looked after. Cruise control. Multifunction steering wheel. And we've got, what else we got on here? Media pack, Bluetooth connectivity. Got this little red round here that goes with the exterior as well. DJH for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.